Parang, sige, they beat us twice in the elims, but I think it would make it sweeter if we beat them twice in the final.
Oo. Kung kayanin, di ba? Yun yung kwento. And it's
Yun,
happened eh. Momentum, di ba? Sa finals, you'll never know. You never, di ba? Momentum yun.
kaya malay mo, nag-pick.
You get one game, the whole complexion of the series changes.
Oo. Kaya malay mo, nag-pick na. Or mag-pick na, tapos sa atin kasi, feeling hindi pa nag-pick to eh.
And siguro we were saying after nung first round, itong NU games aren't the best gauge of where the team is. I think yung UST game, the FEU game, that is where you'll really see the level of this team. Those are their competitors for the Final Four, right? NU will worry about that in the finals. I think what I want to see, if I'll be worried or not about the season, if I'll be encouraged, will be how we perform in that UST game.